Ivory-bills, architects of forest soundscapes. The ivory-billed woodpecker holds a unique place in natural history. It's often called a legendary bird, and for good reason. Declared extinct decades ago, its potential rediscovery continues to spark excitement among ornithologists and nature enthusiasts alike. What truly sets this magnificent creature apart isn't just its striking appearance, but also its extraordinary drumming ability. These woodpeckers are incredibly powerful. Their drumming reverberates through the forest with a distinctive sound that can travel surprisingly far. This wasn't merely noise, it was an integral part of the ecosystem, shaping the very character of the forests they inhabited. The rhythmic pounding served not only as a mating call and territorial declaration, but also played a role in creating cavities for nesting and providing homes for other species. Ivory-bills aren't just randomly pecking at trees, they're architects of sound. These woodpeckers create what researchers call drumming stations, and these are incredibly deliberate choices. They select specific trees, often dead or decaying ones, but still structurally sound, that possess the ideal combination of wood density and size to produce a resonant, booming sound when struck. Imagine them carefully assessing each tree for its acoustic properties. These aren't just quick taps, they're precisely placed strikes designed to project their calls across miles of dense forest. It's truly remarkable how much thought goes into these displays, demonstrating a sophisticated understanding of acoustics and communication. The woodpecker's drumming isn't just a random noise, it's an incredibly precise form of communication and territory marking. These stations, these specific trees that the ivory-billed chooses to drum on, aren't selected at all randomly. They carefully evaluate each potential spot for its acoustic qualities. Often, they favor large, dead-standing trees, what we call snags, or those already containing cavities. The internal structure of these older trees creates a natural resonance chamber, amplifying and projecting the woodpecker's calls over long distances. It's like having a built-in loudspeaker, ensuring their message reaches potential mates and rivals far away. This careful selection highlights just how sophisticated these birds are. They're not just drumming. They're engineering their own sonic landscape to secure their place in the forest and attract a suitable mate. Male ivory-billed woodpeckers create what are known as drumming stations. These aren't just random spots. They're carefully chosen locations, typically dead trees, with resonant wood that amplify the sound of their calls. A male will establish multiple such stations within his territory, using them to broadcast his presence and strength. The intensity and frequency of his drumming is more than simple noise, it's a complex communication system. Rapid, powerful strikes signal dominance to other males, warning them to stay away from his claimed area. Simultaneously, this rhythmic display serves as an irresistible advertisement for females, showcasing the woodpecker's vigor and ability to defend a territory capable of supporting a family. One of the most intriguing aspects of ivory-billed woodpecker behavior is its unique vocalizations, particularly what researchers call the double rap. It's a distinctive two-beat sound. Think of it as a knock-knock pattern, and it plays an absolutely crucial role in how these birds interact. This isn't just any random noise, it's a carefully crafted signal used for several important purposes. Primarily, males use this call to announce their territory, essentially saying, "This is my space, stay away." It also serves as a powerful tool for attracting potential mates, a sort of avian dating ad. And when rival woodpeckers encroach on established areas, the double rap acts as a clear warning: back off or face the consequences. Because it's so different from other woodpecker calls, this distinctive sound has been a key piece of evidence in attempts to confirm their presence throughout its historical range. The ivory-billed woodpecker's drumming isn't just about communication, it's also a vital part of its feeding strategy. Those powerful strikes against the tree trunk create vibrations that dislodge insect larvae hiding beneath the bark. Essentially, they're using sound to shake out their dinner. This is especially important because while berries, nuts, seeds, and other insects form a significant portion of their diet, these hidden larvae provide an essential source of protein and nutrients. It's fascinating how this incredible bird uses its drumming as both a way to connect with others and as a tool to access a crucial food source. The ivory-billed woodpecker's influence extends far beyond its own survival. It fundamentally shapes the forest around it. Their powerful drumming, essential for creating nesting cavities, isn't just about finding a home for themselves. These cavities become vital resources for dozens of other species. Birds like owls, bluebirds, and chickadees readily move into abandoned ivory-bill nests, while squirrels, opossums, and even bats find shelter within them. Think of it as the woodpecker building homes for its neighbors. Because their impact is so widespread and crucial to maintaining a healthy forest ecosystem. Scientists often refer to the ivory-billed woodpecker as a keystone species. Removing such a keystone can trigger a cascade effect, disrupting the delicate balance of nature and impacting numerous other creatures that depend on those cavities. The last confirmed sightings of an ivory-billed woodpecker were decades ago, in the 1980s. Since then, a profound silence has fallen over those forests where they once thrived. Their distinctive drumming, a powerful declaration of territory and a vital communication tool, is simply absent now. It's more than just the loss of one species, it's an entire soundscape that vanished. The ivory-billed woodpecker played a crucial role in its ecosystem, dispersing seeds and shaping habitat through their foraging. Its disappearance underscores a stark truth: when we lose key components like this, the intricate web of life unravels, and entire ecosystems suffer devastating consequences. Even though we haven't definitively proven the ivory-billed woodpecker's existence in decades, its legacy continues to provide valuable information. Scientists are meticulously analyzing acoustic profiles, essentially recordings of forest sounds from areas where these birds once nested and foraged. These soundscapes aren't just about bird calls, they capture a whole ecosystem's activity. The rustling of leaves, insect buzzing, even the subtle changes in wind patterns. By comparing these historical audio records to current conditions, researchers can reconstruct what forests looked like and sounded like when ivory-bills were present. We can learn about tree species diversity, forest density, and overall habitat health, factors crucial for supporting such a large and specialized bird. This understanding directly informs conservation efforts today, helping us identify areas that might be suitable for reintroduction or offer the best protection for remaining old-growth forests, which are vital for many endangered species. These drumming stations aren't just random spots, they're vital communication hubs for ivory-billed woodpeckers. Males use them to proclaim their territory and attract mates, broadcasting a sound that can travel surprisingly far through dense forest. Each station is carefully selected, often on dead or decaying trees, and frequently revisited over many years, sometimes even generations of birds. Recognizing these established drumming locations offers an incredible opportunity for researchers. By protecting the mature forests where these stations exist, we're essentially safeguarding potential breeding grounds and offering a haven for any remaining individuals. Ultimately, this reinforces the critical need to preserve large tracts of old-growth habitat. It's arguably our best hope for rediscovering and ensuring the survival of this magnificent species.